Deep breath in, let out, relax. Very nice. I got you. Good. And your arms like this. I gotcha. So we've got two bones in the lower leg, the tibia that supports the body weight, fibula on the outside of the bone that just is for muscle attachment. So there's a ligament in between those two bones called the interosseous ligament. So I'm going to pass a vibration down there. That's going to help the fibula slide over the tibia easier. They call that a pseudo joint. And that increases the range of motion in the ankle, knee, and hip. Good. This is just some axial traction with the ankle joint, knee, and hip also releases sometimes. Some chiropractic, how's it helped you in your life?
It helped me a lot.
Yeah?
I feel like when I stand up, I feel like I could straight up.
Okay.
I don't hang on the one side. When I walk, I could feel myself is straight.
Very good.
Usually when I feel I kind of lay on one side.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice.
Really good.